So crypto is absolutely pumping, guys. Bitcoin is doing absolutely fantastic, holding above the 30K range. We will have to wait a couple days, of course, to see if this is going to be a sustained move sideways. Eventually, Bitcoin will have to get a pullback and we'll have to go sideways for a little bit just to see where it's going to kind of stay a little bit for a little bit longer before the next leg up. This is not the next stage of the bull run, but we've got some really good altcoins, and I have been talking about this specific altcoin for quite some time on my YouTube channel, and that is Injective Protocol. This is a crypto that has been doing very, very, very well for a number of months, guys, a number of months. How do you pick a good crypto? You pick a good crypto by it not getting sold off. You do not pick a crypto by saying, oh, it's sold off, but it's found support at a massive sell-off region below, its lows. You want to get a nice, really good crypto that has sustained movement. This crypto bottomed out in June of last year, guys, and I've been calling for that at basically $1.70 in June of last year. It's never had to go back and test. So many cryptos have had to go back and found levels from support last year or earlier in the year, or even broke them. These are weak cryptos, right? There's a reason why whales are selling them. They don't want them. They only keep their hands on the good stuff. Injective Protocol is one of the good stuff. And you can see even when we got the high in April, it came down to a 50% retracement at around $5.56 right here. And that's okay, right? That is a win, okay? That's a win. That's a perfect bounce. And then you get the double top play out, which is right here in July, and you get your retracement. And eventually you're kind of seeing, okay, are we going to go back and test the 50, or are we going to bounce off of it? Or are we not going to test the 50? In this case, we didn't test the 50 and we start to go higher and higher and higher. Guys, all you need to know is just the law of supply and demand. No one is supplying their Injective Protocol, so you're going to start getting a breakthrough of the prices. And that's exactly what's happening here. We've got 14% increase already for the day. How do I know this crypto was going to go up as well? Was you can see this break here of $10. Now, $10 is a big psychological resistance number. You can see there's your first top at pretty much call it $10 just before it. And you had another top here and here. So what did we see? We saw a massive spike in volume at 11 o'clock last night, Australian time. And that means that there was a lot of volume pumping into this crypto to get it over that $10 mark. It takes a lot of volume, guys. The whales are basically saying at $10 there's going to be a lot of selling pressure. The whales know that there's going to be a lot of people there. They can read a chart, guys. The whales can read a chart. They know this is a psychological number of resistance. They know it. So what are they going to do? If they really believe, if they really truly believe $10 is a steal for this price and they expect higher prices, they're going to pump money into it and push it higher. And that's exactly what happened very shortly after. This crypto will, in my estimation, keep going. This crypto still has a lot left in it. Now, that's not to say it can't go down. It can go down. And if it breaks $10, time to exit your position and wait for support to come to the market. But like I said, whales are pumping this crypto up. Look at that. That is a lot of volume at the $10 mark, which means they are buying all the stop losses here. Everyone's putting in their stops, take profit targets, I should say. The whales are absorbing all that take profits. Everyone's thinking this is going to go down, this is going to go down. And then what happens? It doesn't go down. Instead, you're getting more of a roar to the upside. So this thing's going to continue to go to the upside. What about price predictions? Again, it can't break $10. When I say can't break, it can't close below $10. That means it's time to pack your bags. This is our area of resistance here, this training period from August 2021, guys, which is the last time we actually had a bull run in the crypto market space. So anywhere between $13 to about $15. Call it $15. We'll see if we get a area of support. Call it $15. We'll see if we get an area of resistance as we continue to go up, which isn't much further than where it is now, but we'll have to take it a little bit at the time and see where this crypto bounces, which is still 20% from where it is at the moment. So this is still a very juicy crypto to be had. One of my favorites. I've been talking about this crypto a lot. So those are my stop losses. Can't break $10. Take profit, or some targets to look out for, is $15. This thing can go past $15 though, because there's a lot of volume and a lot of energy coming into this crypto. And like I said, for it to break $10 so cleanly means that they're going to expect higher prices, and the whales probably want more than $15. But like I said, you have to see how it reacts at the $15 mark, assess the situation then, and then see if you want to go for the next leg up or just take your profit and be happy with that. You have to see how it reacts to the $15. You want to see a clean cut, that means it's going to go higher, or some resistance, meaning it's kind of basically banging on its head like these. That basically means that there are some areas of resistance and it's really struggling at that area. But we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to link my Rune video below, guys. That crypto has been doing very well as well. I called that one pretty well. Never even broke stop loss, and that one is a good altcoin to be had and might be pumping just like Injective Protocol. So I'll link that one below. But if you want more altcoins, consider subscribing. But until then, I will catch you on the next video.